Hello everyone, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, and today we're doing another wedding style V.Waltz pattern for you, and this one is called our Traveling Basic. Let's get right into it.
Leader's footwork. So, going forward on my left foot, like I've done the previous two patterns, I collect, and now I'm going to go sideways on my right immediately in the second step. I repeat this again, going forward on my left foot, collecting underneath myself, then sideways again on my right foot. Each time still collecting underneath myself, I'm going to go forward left, collect, side right, collect, forward left, side right. We do it twice in a row in terms of timing and musicality, right? So I'm going to go forward, side, forward, side. If I do this with number of steps, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, making right angles each time.
Okay, so now we're going to learn the follower's footwork. So starting backwards on the right foot, one step back. Now we're going to go to the side on the left foot, collecting the foot. Then we repeat that again, going one step back on the right, collecting, and then one step to the side left, collecting. Just like our previous steps in the wedding style V-Waltz, we collect our foot underneath ourselves every single time, brushing it on the floor, not changing the weight. That being said, let's do that a few more times. We go one step back, one step side, one step back, one step side. So we are continuously traveling backwards, but as you can see, we'll go from the side this time, is I'm taking the side step as well. So I'm trying to keep it, like Chris said, at a right angle. That way we're not continuously going back. We find it's much more comfortable and also looks a little bit more smooth. So that being said, with some general timing, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. From this angle here, I go 1, 2, 3, 4.
With counts, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so now we're going to demonstrate it with the 1 and then the 2, 3. We go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. This time we're going to demonstrate it in a 4/4 timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, the key points for the traveling basic. So let's dance together one time here. So same exact first step as before, nothing's changed. I collect my feet fully like always, so now I have a chance to redirect and move to the side right away. So far, we've always moved backwards in the second step. So here, what's important is I collect all the way so I can redirect really easy, and then just repeat the same thing twice from there, right? Once you've done it once, to go forwards again is very easy, and she'll feel this very easy. I can't stress enough how important soft knees and collecting the feet is in order for you to have balance to actually make her change directions each time, right? Timing-wise, incredibly consistent, which is super nice about this dance, that it's always going to be the same thing over and over and over again. So this pattern is really designed here so we actually can travel down the floor a little bit instead of staying in the same spot over and over and over again.
So yeah, the biggest thing here for the followers is to maintain your posture as you consistently go backwards. But again, we do have the side step in between to kind of recover and just have it feel a little bit more natural. And again, we're just trying to wait for him. We don't want to anticipate anything because like he said, this is the first time we're going straight to the side instead of forwards on the second step. And then we're just trying to follow his spine. So for both of us, we just want to have good posture. We want to be well connected to each other and just make sure we maintain our own balance and posture throughout.
Definitely don't overthink this pattern at all. You've already done forward, back, side. You've done step in every direction. So we're just putting these foot directions in different combinations so you get different results, but you already have all the elements you need in order to do this well.
And go ahead and check out our combination video, which includes the other patterns so you could see how we move in and out of this. That being said, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Alright guys, thanks for sticking to the end of the video. If you liked it, be sure to give a thumbs up so we know. Also, we did want to let you know that we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com, which I'm going to leave up on the screen for you. And as always, we always link it down below. If you wanted to learn more V.Waltz patterns, we have a bunch more up on our website than we do have on YouTube. Not only that, but we do have combination videos. We're going to create full routines for you. And we also have some styling and technique videos on there as well, organized really nicely for you. So if you haven't yet, go check that out. Also leave a comment down below if you liked this video and you want to see more like it, or maybe what you want to see next. And we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.